Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the About Phone. And now let's scroll down to the very bottom again in order to find the build number. It will actually help us to activate the developer options. And all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general settings, and here let's enter the system. Now let's tap on the developer options. They should appear above the reset options. So let's tap, and here, as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So here we've got, for example, the background check. We've got also the background limit. It was somewhere there. We can show view updates. We can change the window animation scale. We can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and actually overall to the networking, because as you can see, we've got here the USB configuration also, or the Wi-Fi. Here we've got also the system tracing and so on. So as I said, a lot of advanced settings. So if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher at the very top, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the list. Of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to how to use the developer options in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.